Hey there, Halloween enthusiasts! Want to add a spine-chilling twist to your entryway this spooky season? Let's transform your smart doorbell into the ultimate fright fest. First up, we have the Nest Doorbell. Simply open the Google Home or Google Nest app. Navigate to Settings, find your device, select Doorbell Theme, and choose Spooky Sounds. In just a few taps, your doorbell will be ready to send shivers down the spines of trick-or-treaters. Next, let's talk about Ring doorbells. Open the Ring app, tap the menu, select Devices, then Chime. Audio settings, chime tone. Among the usual options, you'll find werewolves, spine-tingling tunes, and terrifying screams. You can even set it to play these when motion is detected or when someone presses the doorbell. And don't forget the quick replies function for spooky messages. Got a Eufy doorbell? No problem. Open the Eufy security app, select your doorbell, go to Settings, and choose ringtones. If your model isn't listed, create your own spooky sounds by recording a quick response. If you're not a natural Dracula, YouTube has plenty of eerie sound options. For those with other brands, check your doorbell app's settings for Halloween sounds. Most smart doorbells have seasonal themes tucked away in their settings. Now, if your doorbell isn't cutting it, consider a super scary standalone doorbell. They might not notify you indoors, but the screams from your visitors will be worth it. Want to go the extra mile? Place an Amazon Echo Dot outside and ask it to play spooky sounds. For that extra eerie effect, hide it in a black cauldron. And don't forget, you can also set up Philips Hue bulbs with a motion sensor for some spooky lighting effects. Your entryway will be the talk of the neighborhood. So, get ready to make this Halloween the spookiest one yet. Happy haunting!